Call to me and I will answer you, and I will tell you great and unsearchable things you do not know. Jeremiah 33:3. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today is still a living room haul. Guys, I did some updates on the living room and I got some flowers. These flowers I'm showing you guys, I got it from Aldi's and it's $3.99 for one. I went to Ross. As you guys see, I didn't purchase any flowers because they're a little bit pricey, and right now I'm decorating my living room and my home on a budget. So these flowers are very beautiful. They look so realistic and so wonderful. If I didn't tell you guys that I got it from Aldi's, you would not know. And guys, I got also, I think I purchased 2 of each. I took up everything they had there because it was so pricey. The price was so ridiculous. I took up everything. And guys, I got this curtain from Ollie's. That's a store beside me, and they sell it $14.99 for one. And the one pack comes with 2 panel. Guys, these curtains are so good. I'm getting ready for Easter and spring, and that pillow I got it from Ross, and that one I also got from Ross. So when I went to Ross, I just picked up some pillows to get my living room situated for spring. But everything else I got it somewhere else. I got from Ollie's, and that's from Ross as well. So I pick up a vase from Ross, and I pick up some pillows, and I think I pick up 2 other items from Ross. I didn't show it in this video, but I believe so. And all the flowers I pick up from Aldi's, and the curtains I got it from Ollie's. So guys, I'm just gonna get myself situated in how to get my living room set up. So guys, right now I'm just taking down all the things for my living room. I'm gonna go ahead and change the mount on the TV because the last time I put it up too high. I believe it's too high. So right now on the wall below the TV, there is a plug and it's showing too much. So I want to have it show just a little bit, but not too much. So I'm going to go ahead and pull away everything and just get it and just remove it from off the wall with my son's help. And then I'm going to go ahead and size back the mount on the wall. So that's what I'm doing at this moment, guys. Guys, while I do this, I'm just want to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do like these videos, please let me know and I will continue. Guys, this is my first home, so I'm just going ahead and making some changes in my home. I'm going to show you guys my kitchen and my dining area. It's just that I haven't done much in my kitchen and my dining areas yet. So I needed some little stuff for my dining area. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like at this moment. So right now my son helped me and he helped me take down the TV. Also guys, the TV was lean. When I put it up, I made the measurement and everything, and then when I put up TV, it was lean, so I had to go ahead and remove it. And now I'm ensuring that it's put up straight and it's a little bit lower below that plug on the wall. I like how this home have the plug on the wall, because you know some homes doesn't. It's all the way to the bottom, so you see that long cord from the television, you know, stretch all the way to the bottom, and I don't like it. So I'm happy that it is like this, and it's a perfect place to put it. So that's what I'm doing, guys. Right now I'm taking it off and I'm gonna go ahead and resize it. So guys, right now I'm trying to find some screws, because the screws I had first, one of them bent so much that I couldn't reuse it. Guys, I purchased this TV mount from in Ollie's and I paid $7.99 for it, and it holds up to 55 pounds, and the TV is about 55 pounds. And they have more mount there that is, you know, the price is good. Guys, right now I'm trying to screw the screw in the baseboard, in the board, and it's very hard to do. So right now I'm gonna send my son downstairs for the hammer, because I'm just gonna don't mind this boy. I'm gonna send him for the hammer. I'm gonna go ahead and hammer it in, because I need to have this television onto this wall. I have my television down on the entertainment stand, or the, what's it called, the fireplace for some time now, and I just wanted to elevate my living room, get it on the wall. I've been trying to do it for a good while, and because I didn't have the stud detector, I didn't know how to. Now I got the stud detector, guys. I'm just ensuring that I detect the right place to put the screw and to have it mount on the wall properly. Guys, I was thinking about doing this. I'm like, oh, it's gonna be hard. And it's not hard, it's very easy. So if I'm saying to everyone out there, if you decide you want to do something, go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. You might be so surprised. So guys, there it is. It looks so good. Even though it's not covering the plug that much, but it looks better. It's a little bit underneath the plug. I didn't want it to cover it too much. I did want it to cover it a lot, but I didn't want to cover it too much because I wanted to know to plug it in and ensure that the TV card is not bent. And so that's what I did. So now, guys, I'm just cleaning off my television because there's a lot of fingerprint on it between me and my son. It was a lot. And so I'm just going ahead, cleaning it off, wiping on everything and ensure that everything is okay. And once I clean it off, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off my entertainment stand as well. Put my vase there. So now, guys, what I'm going to do at this moment, I'm going to take out these flowers, and I'm going to put my new flowers into that vase. I think I'm going to switch it because I wanted to use a big one there. That big one I got from Ross. And I think I paid $39.99 for that big vase. And I'm just going to go ahead and take off these flowers and put it in, and you guys will see the end result on this. Okay guys, I just finished with the big one. Now I'm going over to the other one. Don't mind these kids. Guys, I started doing this very late because I woke up very late this morning. I wanted to get up more early to get it done before the kids awake, but it's a good thing I did it now because to take down the TV, it will be a little bit more challenging for me because my son will be asleep and I needed assistance from him to get it done. So guys, I'm just setting up my flowers, let everything looks good and ensure that everything is aligned. Now I'm adding these little white flowers to it, white stalks, because I had them from December. I purchased them off Temu. So I believe when I add it there, it looks a little bit more better. So that's what I'm doing. So guys, right now I'm just, sweeping up all the things I put on the ground from off the flowers, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get the place clean. Guys, right now I'm telling you, the way the economy is going, I'm just being mindful of the things I purchased. I'm just being mindful of how I spend my money, and I'm just being mindful, you know, of what I need to get done. Guys, right now I'm just gonna go ahead and put up the curtains. I was going around, you know, checking the prices for curtains, and I believe Holly's gave me the best price, $14 for 2 panel, and I purchased 2 pack and I get 4 panels. So now I'm just gonna ask my son to come ahead and help me, you know, take down this. Guys, I need to change this. It's just that I haven't gotten around to change that yet, honestly, because I need to get 2 separate curtain rods to put up, one over this window and the other over the other window, but I just haven't come around to it to get to purchase it as yet. I went on to Ollie's. When I went there, I didn't see they have any, so I just work with what I have. I'm not gonna go ahead and purchase any curtain rod for so much money, and it's not bad. It's just that I don't like to see the black part across the picture frame. I just want to have 2 small curtain rods to put up there, and I'm looking for a certain type of it. Guys, this is how the curtain look. I wish the camera will give it a little bit more justice, but I'm using my phone, so it's not really showing that much, and the window was open and it was in the middle day. So now guys, I'm just going ahead and straighten up my couch, spreading my chore on my couch and everything, pushing back my entertainment stand, and straighten up there, guys. And once I'm finished there, I'll go ahead and finish up with my couch as well. I don't know what I put in there, but I did something. I don't know what I did, but I put something in there. And guys, I'm just wiping down myself. This time I'm just gonna do all the wiping and everything before I vacuum, straighten up my living room. And guys, I changed my couch. This couch that is here, I had it a good while, but what happened was the children, I don't know what they were doing. I guess I wasn't there, and they broke one of the legs. So I have to put it downstairs and bring the one downstairs upstairs. So I had it up here upstairs for a while until on Saturday I went to Home Depot. I purchased a screw for the leg and I fixed it, and I took it back upstairs. So now I bring the the lounge couch back downstairs in the basement, and I bring back this 2-piece set up here. So I like to have the 2-piece set up here, and it's I guess it brings off the living area more. That's why I purchased it the first time, and I got this set from, I think it was Wayfair. Both of them I got it from Wayfair. I got them both from Wayfair, and when I purchased it off Wayfair, it's a very good quality. Honestly, the couch is a very good quality. It's just that the legs, the way they build the leg, they didn't build it right, so that's why. But since I fixed the leg, everything for this couch has been wonderful, and I'm happy that I got it back upstairs. And now, guys, I'm just going ahead, sweeping up some little dust off the carpet before I vacuum. So that's what I'm doing at this moment. And guys, I'm telling you, in this living room looks so beautiful, looks so amazing. And guys, I'm also gonna go ahead on Saturday and do some couponing. I do couponing, and I'm gonna show you guys my stack in couponing, because I do a lot of couponing. I do a lot of couponing on I do a lot of couponing on detergent. I do couponing on toothpaste. Every single thing I do couponing, even in food I do couponing on. So I do have a lot of stocks in couponing, a lot of stuff downstairs in couponing. So I'm definitely gonna introduce you guys to it as well, and let you guys know how I spend my money, what I spend my money on, how I save in this area, and what I do week by week in order to save and in order to not spend a lot of money, especially in this time, and especially as a single mother. I have to be, what's that word? I don't remember that word, but that word, I have to be mindful of how I spend my money. I have to be strategic on how I spend my money. And I also have to use wisdom in how I spend my money. Every day I pray and ask the Lord for financial wisdom, so I know exactly how to spend my money. I know what exactly to buy and how to buy. So if I do go to the store and they have paper towel on sale, buy one get one, and if I do have a coupon, I use that and I capitalize on that special day. So I'll buy more in abundance on that special day. And if I do go to the store and they have that on sale, I capitalize on it as well, and I do buy more. So that means I have more in abundance. That means that if I do go back in next month and they don't have it, I already have a lot in abundance. So that's how I spend. So guys, right now I'm just going ahead sweeping up, and I'm going to go ahead and mop. I don't think I record the mop because my phone was getting full. So now guys, I'm just showing you the end result. Guys, if you do like this and if everything looks, this is how I do it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share out my videos, and I'm going to also do a lot of videos more on financial tips as well, and how to do couponing and how to save money. Take care guys, and have a great week.